Hello friends, welcome to a new exciting project. The name of the project is a buzzer melody player. It's a very simple project including very few components. As you can see on the screen, we have a buzzer, we have a potentiometer, a breadboard and an Arduino. Now let us see the connections. Connections are quite simple. A buzzer is an active device. It has a positive and negative. So one end of the buzzer is connected to digital pin number 8 on Arduino, whereas the other end, that is the negative end, is connected to the ground. Up till now, you must have known that potentiometer has three terminals: terminal 1, terminal 2, and central terminal is called as the wiper. So potentiometer's first terminal is connected to ground, whereas the second terminal is connected to 5 volts. I have converted this rails into positive and negative. 5 volt has been connected here on the breadboard, whereas ground is connected here. So this entire rail acts as a negative and this entire rail acts as positive. So we have done with the connections. The connections are quite simple. You can see the connections on the screen. Now let us understand the code. Now as the connections are simple, the code is also simple. Now we have created first variable, that is potPin, which is connected on A0. Second variable, that is the buzzerPin, which is on digital pin 8. Then in void setup, using pinMode, potPin becomes our input, whereas buzzerPin becomes our output. Now let us go through the void loop. In void loop, I created a new variable called as potValue. In potValue, I am going to read the potPin. So the function I am using is analogRead potPin. So I am going to read the potPin. So whatever reading I am going to get on A0 will be saved in potPin, and accordingly that will be saved in potValue. Second variable is frequency, and the function which I am using is map. In the map, I am going to put the potValue and then the tones. And last, the function uses tone, buzzerPin and the frequency. So whatever frequency value I am going to get here will be saved in this frequency variable, which will be used here. So, and this is going to go in a loop as it is placed in void loop. So this is the program. I hope you guys are getting familiar with the Arduino programming. Now let us see how the code works. For that, I am going to close the code and I am going to start the simulation. Now here in this simulation, you will be able to hear so you can refer if you want from there. I hope you are enjoying this Arduino series. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.